In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo seamlessly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. This integration process will enhance your business operations by synchronizing data and streamlining your workflows. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for HubSpot, which will bring you to their main site. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Look for the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage, and click on it. Enter your account credentials to gain access to your HubSpot dashboard. If you're new to HubSpot, this might be a good time to check your login details or reset your password if needed. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, the next step is to click on the marketplace icon. This icon can usually be found in the main navigation bar, and it's your gateway to a wide range of integrations and apps that HubSpot offers. The marketplace is instrumental for customizing your HubSpot experience to better suit your business needs. Once the marketplace loads, click on the Apps section. This area lists all available apps that can be integrated with HubSpot. To continue, you need to find the Apollo app. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in Apollo. This search will filter the results and direct you to the Apollo integration. Now that you've located the Apollo app, click on it to open its details page. Here you'll find more information about what this app can do for your business. Take a moment to review its features and ensure it matches your operational requirements and data management goals. The final step is to install the Apollo app. You'll see an Install App button on the apps page. Go ahead and click it to initiate the installation process. HubSpot may prompt you for certain permissions and authorizations, so make sure to read through those and approve them if necessary. The integration process might take a few moments, and once it's complete, you should see Apollo as part of your HubSpot ecosystem. Integrating these two powerful tools enables you to harness more data and improve your business insights significantly. With the streamlined data flow between HubSpot and Apollo, you'll achieve enhanced efficiency and potentially unlock new strategies for growth. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Happy integrating!